Hi guys, today we're going to be doing a toy unboxing video of a stretchy creature, I believe it is. Yeah, stretchy creature. And should we just get right into the unboxing? Okay. The thing is, I have no people to hold this, so I'm screwed. If be right back. Mommy, can you hold this while I unbox it?
I'll throw it that way. Just leave it there.
Okay. And I've got it unboxed. There we go. So I've got it unboxed. This is supposed to be a very stretchy creature. As you can see, it's alive. Stay there. Hey, you come off camera. No, stop it. Stop it. As you can see, it's alive. So oh god, very fast. I'm just going to move it back onto his feet. Wait, actually I'm going to move it on this pack so it can't move. Oh god. While I was unwrapping it, as you can see, person who was filming for me while I was unwrapping this creature was Sean Vlogs. Go subscribe to her channel. She's a really good person. Also, she's got a TikTok account, so yeah. Oh, by the way, just to mention, I never edit my videos. I keep it all true to you guys. Let's see how stretchy this thing is actually. Alright, hi guys. See how stretchy this thing is. Wow, stretchier than Armstrong. So if this channel gets 100 subscribers, I'll do a good reaction video. With all my other reaction videos are crap, aren't they? So I'm actually going to do a good reaction video if this video gets 100 subscribings. And I'll be checking my subscriber count lately, and no one's subscribed, sadly. Sad. So should I do? Oh yeah, I was gonna test something. Can he stick to walls? Wait, let's film that again. Take 2, can he stick to walls? Nope, he can't stick to walls. He's not very sticky. Although he can stick to himself. By the way, I was kidding about him being alive. I'm just controlling him and looking it like he's moving. Wait. Oh, by the way, sorry I didn't speed up the, I forgot what it's called. The unboxing, because I don't know how to speed up. I'm not very good editor, that's why I'm not editing. My inspiration is reaction time, so bye bye. Bye friends.